Honorable Odonga Oto, no one elected any Moraro or Banyankole to go to Acholi land to steal land on our behalf. We have never started anywhere to elect anybody to steal Acholi land on our behalf. The individuals you are seeing there are just excited about power. They are a corrupt group, confused. Okay, you have failed to appreciate that here in Ankole we have enough vast fertile land which they can develop and use for their animals, but they are just there loitering in natural land that they are looking for pasture. How many cows do they have? I passed there yesterday in natural land. I saw just one Moraro looking after about 15 cows. Imagine a person, eh? See the level of ignorance. A person who moves from Ankole to Acholi land to look after 15 cows. I'm sure if you put them on the market, you would not get more than 15 million shillings. He's just a slave of 15 cows, worth less than 15 million shillings. And then he's attracting anger. Everybody is commenting, Bararo are taking our land. They are not Bararo. Those are individuals who are indisciplined, who are corrupt, who are excited and ignorant. Because there is enough land here. If we develop this land, if we engage it into modern farming, okay, we would have enough land. In fact, the land is sufficient. God endowed us with so much land that here in Ankole, we can even host the entire Uganda, feed it, and all will be well without any question. So it is wrong, therefore, to impute that Banyankole, Bararo are taking our land here in Acholi. Please, we have never sat anywhere to elect anybody to represent us there in Acholi to steal land on our behalf, because we have enough land. We have enough land. It is the same thing as having an Acholi who comes here and rapes a Nyankore girl and then is arrested, is convicted. And then someone says, Acholis are raping our girls. They are raping our Nyankore girls. Does one person represent the entire Acholi population? Therefore, Honorable To, your assertions are incorrect. Please revise them.